Guys, we are here to visit the museum of Fernando Riojas. Okay, he was a person from Spain and he came here to Viña del Mar. He became very successful and he lived over here, okay? Something interesting about this property, guys, was that he bought it after an earthquake that took place in Viña del Mar in 1906. Okay, in 1907 he bought this property. Guys, here we see the main hall. Okay, it's just like a beautiful and central room where Fernando and his wife used to receive his guests, okay, for social activities at the time. Guys, Fernando became very successful in Chile, in Viña del Mar, and he acquired a big family with his wife, okay? It is said that he had 7 children. All right, that's a big family. With 7 children, Sarah, the wife, she was always very busy taking care of the children and taking care of the house. Now we are going to see all the beautiful rooms, okay, in this palace, the Palcio Rioja, like this one. Okay, it's the music room. Okay, people and the guests would gather over here to hear good music. Okay, and here we have a guest room. Okay, and moving along, we are going to see this room over here, which it is really cool, which it is the bathroom. Okay, look how beautiful it is, the tiles, green, yellow, the bathtub. Okay, this is very European, guys, very French, although he was Spanish, but the fashion back then was French, and money could bring all this to Valparaiso in Chile. Okay, beautiful tiles. This is called the mirror room. You see the mirrors on the wall, French design, very, very beautiful. Look at the ceiling, the sofa, the tables, all French furniture. Guys, in this room over here, the girls, the family had 2 girls. They came over here to date. So there would be a chaperone with the girl and the boyfriend. So they behaved themselves. Okay, 2 rooms here and here. Okay. Guys, in this dining room over here, they would play music over there. The orchestra would be there playing music to entertain the people who were having dinner. So guys, very, very beautiful. All, furniture over here, okay? And it looks very European because, the gentleman came from Spain. Was very nice.
Yeah, I've got to go back to the other iPhone class and pay for the app to get rid of everybody else.
Yes, Maria was showing somebody how to use that.
Yeah. I haven't, apparently it's a 7-day free app and then you've got to pay for it. So I want to go and do the class. It'd be good.
Yes. Oh, the guy is on the other side now. Let's see where we can go and don't step on the poop. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. And from here we are going to our next adventure.